Hi, I'm Luqman Azhar from Batch 1 of AATA. Today I'm gonna introduce to you my pilot's bag. So, let's go. The first thing inside my bag, which is the most important thing, is my headset. Okay, this is my headset from David Clark. This one is to use to communicate with the ATC, to communicate throughout my flight. Second is my checklist, which is most important thing also, so that I can refer it, which is when I need it. The third thing is my pilot KNEEBOARD, to write down what's important throughout my flight, especially the ATs, before any of my flight. What's the exercise that I need to do, that I will do for my flight. Okay, what's the next thing is my CRP5. Okay, CRP5 is to actually calculate your ground speed from your true airspeed, TAS, measure our true heading, and then if the wind is coming, and then we can measure our track and drift also. It's actually quite important for long flight because we need to know the wind and actually where is our aircraft drifting. And then this thing is not that important, but you need it because you might didn't know you need to calculate it or something, so you need to have your calculator inside your pilot's bag and also your pencil case. Okay, it's literally not that important to bring this. This one is the pilot logbook. Each time after my flight, I need to write down my flying hours, so it's actually quite important, but it's not important to bring it during your flight. So the other things is my raincoat. You might didn't know you need to fly during raining season. Suddenly it's raining, so you might need it. And then, okay, let me see what's the thing in the side pocket. Okay, this one is my student pilot license. This one is the most important thing, the compulsory thing you need to bring during your flight. If you didn't bring it, you might get jail, you'll get penalized or what. So you need to bring your license, just like you're driving a car. Inside here is got my GoPro. Sometimes when I need to record my flight so that I can refer it after my flight, is it a good flight or bad flight. But it's not every time, it's sometimes only. Side pocket here. Oh yeah, this thing is called fuel drainer or fuel tester. Before our each flight, we need to test our fuel because we need to know that our fuel is clear of any water or any sediments inside there. This one also I need to bring it, which is my torchlight. This one need to, for pre-flight inspection, need to open your engine cowling to ensure that the inside of the engine cowling is nothing inside there, so it's clear of everything, maybe like sarang burung or what. Look at the inside with your torchlight. From the pocket, from the side is of course my sunglasses. Yeah, sometimes you fly in the afternoon or what, the sunlight is very strong, so you need your sunglasses to ensure that you can fly properly. The last thing here is my iPad. Maybe it's not that important to have iPad for a short flight or maybe a VFR flight, but for a long flight like a nav flight or what, if you have it, then it's advantage for you, so you can refer the maps or the chart or the layout of the airport inside here. So I think might as well, if you have the iPad, maybe you can bring it. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question or any doubt or what, you can ask us below in the comment, and don't forget to like or subscribe our video. See you again in the next video. Bye.